Thrifting is often seen as a way to save money, but it can also be a rewarding journey into the past. This guide is designed to train employees in recognizing and appreciating the hidden histories that items at thrift stores may hold. While price often dictates what people are willing to purchase, historical and sentimental value should also be considered. Items may hold stories that can offer insights into different eras, cultures, and personal journeys. Before purchasing thrifted items, look for indications that they may carry historical weight. Labels and maker's marks. Check for brand names or manufacturer marks, which can help identify the era or origin. The way an item is made can indicate its age and quality. For example, dovetail joints in furniture or hand stitching in clothing. Research. Use online resources, libraries, and expert consultations to learn about different periods and styles. Take high-quality images from different angles. Items can be grouped based on themes like eras, uses, or cultural significance. Use engaging and creative displays to highlight the historical aspects. Ensure that the items you choose to highlight and sell are sourced responsibly.